Hi guys, welcome to London Thendral. Today we are going to be looking at just two potato dish and the buzzing bee in my garden. Okay, so guys, let's enjoy all the videos from London Thendral, and do subscribe and like and share it with your families and friends. So we are just going to look at this super quick dish. Just all you need is two big potatoes, just boiled or even cooked in microwave oven, and two finely chopped shallot baby onions, and bit of ginger finely chopped, and some curry leaves for seasoning, and fresh coconut, grated coconut, and couple of red chili. This is all a red chili, and your coconut is just optional. And for seasoning, I have got some mustard seeds and cumin seeds, some uri dal. That's it. It's very super easy and very yummy dish. This will definitely replace your mashed potato in any function, any parties, any festive time. So this one is more a special one for Indian dishes. They are called asafoetida powder that helps for digestion. So once my oil is really nice and hot, I'm putting my seasoning ingredients like mustard seed, cumin seed, and uri dal for seasoning. Once it's nicely popped, add your red chili. This is optional. This is a very bland red chili, doesn't have much spicy into it. And add your curry leaves for seasoning. If you don't have a curry leaves, you can add coriander. That also is really tasty. And add your onion too. And once everything is nicely done, fried, add your salt. So now those boiled potatoes, just mash them and add those mashed potatoes, and nicely give the good turn around so that all your seasoning stuff and onion goes around evenly in your mashed potato. So this is called just two potato dish, and it's very yummy and very tasty. All the kids and everyone in the family will love it, and it's nice, tasty when it's really warm and fresh and nicely cooked from your freshly cooked. Freshly cooked one is very yummy. And at the end, add your grated coconut, the fresh one, just bit of tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. That's it. That's very much optional. If you don't like it, you don't need to add. That's it, guys. I hope you will love this dish and share this dish with your family. Here you go. This 1 minute of this buzzing bee trying to suck out all the honey from my sunflower in my back garden. So cute, isn't it? I just spent just a minute to taking this video with him. He just didn't mind me taking the video. He was so busy. That's why we call buzzing bee. He's so busy buzzing bee, isn't he? So here you go. While I cooking my potato, this buzzing bee also done a very good job in my garden. So guys, I'm going to meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. If you like this video, like and share with your families and friends, and do subscribe London Thendral, and meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.